Another big exposition by P2B's witness exposes Inec APC presidential day glitch claim as fake. So Inec were claiming that there was a glitch on the 25th of February during and after the election. But of course, P2B and his team are always working with professionals whenever they invite any witness. Hear the news in details. LP witness who works for Amazon Web Services, the company Inec hired to host their server today, heard the court spellbound. It was going to be a long day in court after the respondent yesterday found out that Peter Obi LP had subpoenaed a staff member of the company who tendered all her evidence to show that there was no glitch from their server on February 25th, 2023. So this was the company that Inec employed, not knowing that surprisingly that P2B and his team has gone behind them to get somebody who is going to finish every claim. This was the reason why they were claiming that they refused to upload the results, that there was a glitch, which is a lie. What is the fate for Bola Ahmed Tinubu? The Inec APC Tinubu Shettima legal team was left in disarray as the witness debunked all the allegations leveled against her just to discredit her. She pointed out and brought evidence to prove the health status of AWS server across the world. During cross-examination, the APC-led counsel went in and out of the witness' personal information like her Twitter handle, her participation as a candidate of Labour Party, her coming to court, etc. Despite all attempts at impugning her character, the witness came out fine and told the court in clear terms that there were no glitches on Amazon Web Service on the said election. That is why I said it before, that no matter what happens, the only person who can fight Bola Ahmed Tinubu is P2B, because APC, they are very good at looking at into your life and your personal life. If you have any stain, they are going to elaborate that stain. No matter how small that stain is, they are going to make that stain very, very big. Very, very big. The courtroom witnessed today an expert testifying and debunking the allegation from embattled Inec chairman Yakubu Mahmood that their server experienced glitch on the day. The world now waits to see if justice will be served. This has gotten to the head of those who are defending Bola Ahmed Tinubu. APC do not know what to do. APC council don't know what to do. So they have gone back to begin to blackmail whoever that is the witness that is called off. But of course, their blackmail didn't work in the case of the lady that was brought from the Amazon website. She knows it all and no more that glitch was or glitch happened during the election. So that one is already cleared. There was no glitch. There was nothing like glitch. There was no crash. The system was working fine. That means INEC purposely offed the IREV and the beavers so that they can be able to continue with their corrupt numbers they gave to Bola Ahmed Tinubu. So then, in other news, the Presidential Election Petition Court has admitted as evidence a report from a subpoenaed witness who identified herself as an employee of Amazon Web Service, Incorporated, USA, stating the health status of the cloud service offered to the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC), after which INEC were telling lies that there was a glitch during and after the election. The report specifically provides details on the health status of the Amazon Web Server, that is the AWS, that provided cloud service for INEC's digital backbone for the presidential election. A snippet of the report's content revealed that there was no glitch that could have affected the e-transmission of results on February 25th, 2023, when the presidential election held. The report was tendered through a witness subpoenaed by the Labour Party by name Claretta Oga, whose identity was submitted as cloud engineer and architect. The document, totaling 6 copies, were admitted by the court on objection by Inec, Tinubu, Shettima and APC. The cross-examination of the witness is scheduled today. This has brought a massive great evidence before the court and the judiciary. Thereby, even the judge who is trying to be biased, because we are now hearing that Justice Samani is becoming biased, but no problem. Let him keep coming out. Let him just come out. Nigerians are ready. Is it gone are the days when people joke with what is very sensitive? Gone are the days when people joke with what is very, very sensitive. But I must say that this court case is getting more interested than before. It has been accepted. The lies that INEC have been telling a severe lie. INEC have been telling severe lies that there was a glitch and that is why they couldn't upload results. It is now obvious that they were the ones that went and off the IREV and the beavers so that they can no longer transmit results. You see? So that they can no longer do what? Transmit results. This is one of the most shameful things that has happened across. So what is now the problem is that these people, INEC is siding Tinubu, which is not supposed, independent, whatever, is now siding Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Then the court is now siding INEC. What a shame of a country. What a shame. They never expected that the Amazon web server will come to court. These people have collected huge money. See, the moment you collect money from somebody who is corrupt, just know that you have sold your conscience. It will be difficult for you to say the truth. It will be very, very difficult. And that is what is happening in the case of the judiciary and INEC. But whatever the case may be, they will keep selling their conscience. They sold their conscience to Buhari and they want to sell their conscience to Tinubu. That means every year on, they will keep selling their conscience every time. And after selling their conscience, they will come out and say, Nigerians should forgive us. Nigerians should forgive us. That is what Ganduji did in Kano State. After the nonsense he did with Kano, he came out and said Nigeria should forgive him. Buhari came out and said Nigeria should forgive him. After several people died. So they just do you anyhow, and later on, once it is time for them to now finish their 8 years, they come out to do what? Apologize. Well, all eyes on judiciary. Thanks for supporting the Future News. Peace.